How to fix print PDF files not printing in Adobe Reader on Windows 10. Here are some useful methods that would help you with the print PDF files not printing issue in Adobe Reader on your own Windows 10 PC. Method 1, miscellaneous, fast, fixes, pressing Ctrl+P, printing a text or images file, powering cycle your printer. Method 2, update printer's driver. For advanced users, manual install the latest printer drivers, stop the print spooler service. Run printui.exe/s/t2 in the run box. Delete the driver for problematic printer. Restart the print spooler service. Method 3, set printer as the default printer. Method 4, try to PDF as an image using the Print as Image option under Advanced Print Setup window. Method 5, save another copy of the PDF file. Method 6, reinstall your printer drivers. First, you remove the problematic printer from Control Panel. Second, re-add the printer. And set your printer as default. Method 7, remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Acrobat Reader.